I built my own keyword research tool in a couple of minutes, and you can too. Today I'll show you how you can use Pickaxe to create and deploy your own AI-powered tools. You can use them as a lead magnet to collect information or offer a suite of tools to users for a fee. Coming up next. So the way Pickaxe works is totally on prompts. So as long as you have good prompts for your tool, you'll be able to create pretty much any type of tool you can think of. Okay. So this is the home page. Now I want to go ahead and sign in. After that, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Simply go ahead and click on create a tool. And then you'll see that there's 3 ways to go about this. So first is the form in which you can create a prompt powered widget with multiple user input fields. So essentially, this is a type of tool in which the user will have the capability to add in certain pieces of information. So for example, we'll be creating a keyword research tool in which I'll be needing the user to add in the primary keyword and also the industry. So in that case, we'll be going ahead with this option, but then you can also create a chat type tool, so more conversational type, chat GPT-ish. We also have the automatic AI builder. So all you have to do is type in the type of tool you want, the objective you want that tool to accomplish, and then the AI will automatically create a tool. But as of now, I want to go ahead and show you all the steps. So I'll click on form, and then you'll be shown some instructions as to how the tool works. But then essentially what you need to do is add in the primary prompt over here. So like I mentioned, you will be creating a tool, but the tool will be powered by your prompts. Okay, so you need to go and add in the prompt that will actually facilitate the back end of the tool. Now I've already created a library of prompts over here. So all prompts relating to SEO, so target audience, silo creation, keyword research, blog service page, on-page optimization, pretty much everything you can think of when it comes to SEO. So make sure to get your hands on these prompts, the link for which will be in the description. You can very easily go ahead, copy and paste, and use these prompts to create whichever type of tool you want to create. Okay. So for today, we'll be creating the keyword research tool. So if you can see over here, we have an initial AI warm-up prompt, and then we have these other prompts. So it's very useful when we are using these prompts in Gemini or ChatGPT. First, we need to warm up the AI, and then the AI gives us, the desired output. But then when we are creating a tool in Pickaxe, we need to actually add in the entire prompt as one. Okay, so I'll have to do some minor edits over here. I'll go ahead and copy the initial prompt first. It's a very comprehensive prompt in which we are telling the AI everything that's required, all the parameters it should follow when it comes to keyword research. Paste it over here. But then we also want to add in some additional sections. Now you see down over here, there's a add user input. Okay, so this is where the users will actually add in those crucial pieces of information like the seed keyword or the industry, based on which the AI will generate a response. So I'll go ahead and add in an additional paragraph in which I'm asking the AI to identify related keywords, long tail keywords, LSI and NLP key terms. Okay, related to. So this is where I'll have to add in the user input. So I want the user to add in the primary keyword over here. So I'll go ahead and add in primary keyword and also add in an instruction. Okay, so add in your primary keyword. So this is the first user input, and you see it displays like this. Okay, related to the primary keyword that are relevant to. So this is where we want to add in the industry. So I'll click on add in user input again, and I'll mention your industry. So something like this. I'm not thinking too much about this. From there, you can also select your AI model. So currently we are at GPT 3.5 because we are on the free version. If you upgrade to the paid plans, you can get access to the higher and more competent versions of GPT. So 4.0, you also have Cloud over here, so that's cool. So just keep that in mind. If you're on the free plan, you need to manage with 3.5. You also have a knowledge base, so you can upload files here or share links to particular web pages to help out your users. You also have capabilities, so you can actually allow users to upload their own documents. You also have the option for image generation And then in the advanced options, you can select the length of things. So the length of the output, the length of the input, and things like word bias. So if you want the AI to use a particular word or to stop at a particular word, you can use these settings as well. Okay. So this is looking fine as of now. I'll just go ahead and add in the title for my tool and add in a small description, and then I'll click on continue. So I've done adding the title for my tool and also added a short description for what it can do. There's also the input sections over here. So you can see on the left, we have few customization options. So we can actually change this image. If you click on shuffle image, you can play around with this to find, the best image for you. You can also go ahead and add, upload a cover image. So if you have a particular logo built for your tool, you can do that as well. You can also select the chat icon. So a lot of different ways to customize the interface of your tool. You can also select whether you want it to be private or public. I'll just let this be to public for now and click on publish. So our tool is pretty much completed. You can see that we have our deploy option over here. Below that, there's a link to share the tool. And we also have the total runs, which means the number of times the tool has been used. Okay. So I'll go ahead and click on deploy. And then you'll see that we have these two options. So embed and add to studio. So embed you use if you're trying to embed this in a particular section or a particular page of your website. A lot of people have been using this tool actually to create mini AI tools to acquire backlinks. So this is going to be very useful for SEO people as well. But then we want to let this tool be independent for now. So I'll go ahead and click on add to studio. Then you need to select your pickaxe. So currently we have the keyword discovery. So this is the only pickaxe that we have. We click on next. And then we need to go ahead and add in a name for the studio. So I'll just add in. We can also select a different public offering. So we can create different plans if we are planning to actually, monetize this tool. But I'll let this be for now. Click on next. Then we need to pick a theme. So for this, I'll go ahead with this one and then click on create your studio. So now you can customize your landing page. You can go ahead and click on edit page to change things like the text, the font size, the font type, color of the background, so on and so forth. Make sure to click on save edits. And then your edits will be saved. Okay, so there's a lot of different options over here as far as the design is concerned, as far as the branding is concerned, and you can also choose to offer this for a certain amount, but I won't be doing that for now. For that, you'll have to integrate this, so connect this with your Stripe. But I just want to mention that is a possibility as well. But then you can see how easy it is to use this tool. You see how it looks in the phone. Quite nice. Now, if you copy this, I'll just open another incognito tab. Add the link here. And see, this is how the tool looks now, okay? Voila, you have your own keyword research tool ready, okay? So all we have to do is add in our primary keyword and mention the industry, and then we will get our keywords. So I've added electric vehicle in the keyword section and electric automobile in the industry section. Click on submit and see what we get. So as you can see, our tool is working really, really well. We have this table in which we have these different pieces of information. So keyword, search volume, competition, search intent, relevance, and notes. A lot of information there. And then we have this segregated. So first we have the related keyword section. So we have keywords like electric, automobile, green vehicle, battery electric car, and so on. Below that, we have another table for the long tail keywords. Okay, so best electric car for families, search volume, competition, and the search intent for this is commercial. Affordable electric vehicles, search intent for this is transactional. Okay, we also have the notes, so appeals to budget cautious EV shoppers. So really, really good and accurate information over here. So this is how you can go ahead and create your own tool in a matter of minutes with Pickaxe. I'll share the link for this in the description, and also the link for all the prompts that you can use to create your tool in a matter of moments. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.